Hello and welcome. It's June back again with what I'll call part 2 of the exploding card and box. I showed the first one this morning and said that I had to add some more finishings to it, which I have done, but you'll notice that this morning's card box was white, and after I had applied the Mod Podge, and this was the gloss Mod Podge, it's obviously reacted to the glue that I used on the die cuts. That glue was or is Glossy Accents. The rest of the glue I used Beacon 3-in-1 craft glue. So it had a reaction to it and it started to turn a very pale pink. Now that wouldn't have been a problem had the christening card been for a little girl, but it's for a little boy. So what I did was I still had some baby blue edible food spray, and I tried it on a test piece of card and it worked. So I have sprayed all of this, all of the top, so the white pearls are now blue, and it does look pretty. I don't know whether to, I think I just might dust some blue around these corners. So anyway, this is it. We have a blue top now. I've put new pearls on there and I've decorated all round the side, stamped and embossed, and I used Wow Pearl Gold embossing powder. I had to add new sides to the box because of the spraying, and I've just used the cascading hearts from Creative Expressions because I've used it inside there, and I've done the sides like that. And when we open the box, and I'll show you the sides now. So these stamps are by Just Right stamps. So I've stamped and embossed with the Wow Pearl Gold embossing powder, and there's some lovely sentiments on there. I've used again the Sweet Cause for Celebration Today, You Are Treasured, Gift of Family, and The Circle of Love Never Ends. So nothing changed on the base card, and then on the inside I typed that, the baby's name, on your christening day, 29th of the 7th 2018. I die cut that, and then I typed a verse, and I typed that, and I used blue ink for that, die cut it in one of the larger pierced dies from Creative Expressions, and glued that onto the page. So grandparents can write something on the back. I'm really pleased how this has eventually turned out. I really like it, and it's given me ideas for so many other creations. So thank you once again, and until the next video, bye.